Ông Ian Gibbon đã sinh sống, làm việc tại thành phố Hồ Chí Minh hơn 3 năm, đảm nhận vai trò tổng lãnh sự tại lãnh sự quán Anh. Ông thường hay tự mình lái xe đi làm vào những ngày chỉ có lịch trình công việc ở văn phòng buổi sáng. Đây là một thói quen mà ông yêu thích trong suốt thời gian sinh sống và làm việc ở Việt Nam.
It's very important that they have the correct credentials when they hire motorbikes. They have to have an international driver's license permit. They need to wear, importantly, proper safety helmet. So, what we did, we went through a whole process of me applying for my motorbike license, including literally going to the motorbike licensing centre, completing the forms, taking all the photographs, and then going back to the actual centre and processing that, and then taking my motorbike test. So I did that last year, along with I think over 1,000 people take their test each day here in Ho Chi Minh City, which is great to see. I have my Vietnamese motorbike license, so I'm legal. So when my wife and I, when we take a few days off and explore the country, we hire a bike, and we don't take too many risks, but we enjoy driving around, and it's a lovely way to see the countryside. The film of what we did in terms of being safe on a bike and being legal on a bike and not taking risks, that is on a continuous loop on a video downstairs. So it's good to be able to say this is what you need to do, so this is why we did it, and that's why we'll always be legal, basically adhering to the road and traffic safety laws here in Vietnam.